everybody, and welcome to Friday, October 1st. For this Friday, we had quite a bit to do. I had to stretch out your Enneagram project, but that's going to be our do now. It's going to be our Enneagram presentation. Then I had you guys take some building notes, and then start your SMC challenge. Your exit ticket will be a bit of a team reflection. Your homework this weekend will be to research a famous Latino, Latina, or Latinx, or Hispanic-speaking person. Okay, it's going to be for a project we'll be doing. All right. For your do now, your Enneagram presentations. In 1 minute, present your Enneagram slide. I cannot wait to see them. We've spent too much time on them, but I cannot wait to see them. All right. Then, your building notes. I had you guys actually take 2-column notes. Remember the difference between Cornell 2-column and 3-column notes. Okay, you're going to create a brief summary at the bottom. Make sure you highlight some of the key points from the main ideas. So I had you guys take building notes from this video and this video. Once I had you guys take those notes, you guys created your summaries and looked at the building foundations. This is going to help you for our Fun Friday activity where you guys actually had a team building competition. So in your teams, you must create the tallest freestanding structure. I walked you guys through how we created these structures. In 18 minutes, you guys created a tall freestanding structure of 20 sticks of spaghetti, 1 yard of tape, 1 yard of string, and 1 marshmallow. Okay. I went through rules a little bit, and then I had you guys actually go ahead and build. The way you guys built, hopefully, if you guys were taking good 2-column notes, came from this video. And it really goes back to you guys taking organized, structured notes that you can follow, your team can use, and you can communicate with others what your thoughts were. Okay, that's part of why we did that. And then we discussed as our exit ticket, how can team building make us better scholars? Okay, so that is what we did for Friday, October 1st. The only thing that was, again, due to me was that Enneagram presentation. On Tuesday, we will be talking about our famous Latino, Latina, Latinx, or Hispanic-speaking person. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, send me an email. Let me know what's up, and I will help you guys out the best I can. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.